Welcome to HSS Security Solutions, proudly serving Brentwood, Tennessee. Since 1997, we've specialized in professional fire alarm installations for commercial properties, schools, healthcare facilities, government buildings, and residential communities across Middle Tennessee. We provide full-service fire alarm solutions, including design, stamped prints, permitting, professional installation, and certification with the authority having jurisdiction. Every system is code-compliant, reliable, and backed by 24/7 alarm monitoring for complete protection. From office complexes and retail centers to industrial facilities and multi-building campuses, our licensed team designs scalable systems tailored to your property's needs. Businesses in Brentwood trust HSS Security Solutions because we combine local expertise with more than 25 years of proven service. Our mission is to protect your people, property, and assets with systems built to last. If you're in Brentwood or Williamson County, call HSS Security Solutions today at 615-4444-1400 or visit hssecurity.net. Trusted since 1997 for professional fire alarm installation in Middle Tennessee.